Hello, today we have the DJI Osmo 4 or the DJI OM4. So we'll be unboxing the DJI OM. So open the seal of the OM4. So here we have opened the seal now. Now let's open the box and let's see what's inside. So how to open the box first. Here we go. There's some tape. So here we have the OM4. Here we have the box. Let's open the box. It says magnetic moments. So here we have the bag for the OM4, and here we have the magnet for the OM4. So here there's the gimbal itself. You can see there's this pad for if you have a smaller phone, so you can put the pad for it to be equal. And here we have the tripod, which I guess you can connect like this. Yes. So here we have the Osmo 4. So here, look, we can open it. So here we have the Osmo 4 carrying case. It's a nice case, I can say. It comes with this, and here you can see this is the magnet template for the magnet, for if you want to stick the magnet on your phone but you can't use wireless charging, or you can't put a cover on your phone. No app. So I'll show you which one is it. So this is the DJI Osmo app. So that's the app. Here we have joined the DJI Osmo 4 with the mobile, and I have downloaded the DJI Mimo app. So let's turn it on. Here we have turned on the DJI Osmo 4. Now let's connect it with the phone. It's getting connected, and now it's connected. So like you can now see, it's connected. I'm getting a bit used to it. And after now, here you can see the screen of the phone. So now you can do this, or you can see. I'm getting a bit used to. Now let's see. We can do like this is the joystick, up, down. So we go. It can change direction, and this too. Now it has this button at the back. When you press it, it recenters. So look, you can see it's recentered now. Now the gimbal is basically for smoothness of your video, so your video will be smooth now. So you can choose a bunch of options here. So there are many options. I'll show you in my next video. It has active track, and it has other features as well, like the active track, and it has many more features. I will discover them, and when I've discovered all of them, so I'll tell the review next week. So from me, it's goodbye.